Viewing complex files like CAD, vector, or 3D images generally requires expensive native applications. OpenText Brava provides a single solution for sharing and viewing all types of files, whether you're in the office or in the field. For CAD users, Brava provides pinpoint detail of complex drawings, allowing users to calibrate scale, snap precise measurement, perform takeoffs, and even compare drawing versions. Brava helps reduce licensing costs while streamlining project design, construction, and operation by ensuring that users have the information they need to make purchase decisions and execute accurate design plans. This is just one example of how Brava can help your business.